This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal balance. First, log into your PayPal account, either on the website or through the mobile app. Your current available balance will be clearly displayed on your dashboard. It's crucial to ensure your account is fully verified to avoid any spending limitations or restrictions on your transactions. This verification step helps maintain smooth and uninterrupted access to your funds. When shopping online, using your PayPal balance is straightforward. At checkout on participating websites, simply select PayPal as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to log into your PayPal account to confirm the purchase. Your available PayPal balance will always be utilized first for these transactions, before any other linked payment methods like bank accounts or credit cards are accessed. It's a seamless way to spend your funds. Sending money to friends or family is also very easy. Navigate to the Send and Request section within your PayPal account. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number, along with the exact amount you wish to send. Always double-check all the transaction details before confirming the transfer. Be aware that sending money for goods and services might incur a small fee, while personal transfers are often free. If you need to access your funds outside of PayPal, withdrawing your balance is simple. First, ensure you have a bank account or debit card linked to your PayPal profile. Then, select the Transfer Money option and choose your preferred withdrawal method. Transfers to a linked bank account typically take between 1 and 3 business days to complete, while instant transfers to a debit card may have a small fee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.